Welcome to the Inventor 2016 Dynamic Simulation course. This course will cover the tools of Inventor 2016 for analysis of assemblies with dynamic simulation, for you who already know the Inventor, and want to improve yourself. In this class we will see in general the topics to be learned. The course is divided into 6 modules, consisting of lectures, practical examples, and complementary exercises. In the classes are explained the commands and tools, their ways of use and concepts, step by step. In the practical examples are applied the commands and tools already studied in the module in a real situation, training its use. In the complementary exercises, it is proposed a task for the student to do and train, based on practical classes. In the first module, the concepts of dynamic simulation and their differences in relation to the assembly of parts will be presented. We will explore the dynamic simulation environment in Inventor 2016, the interface and location of the commands for performing simulations. We will also make an assembly review, so that we can understand the concepts that will be discussed in this course. In Module 2, the resources for defining the degrees of freedom of the set will be presented. We will see what are the steps for creating a dynamic simulation in the right way, in order to obtain realistic results. We will know the types of joints that can be inserted into the assembly to perform the motion simulation. Converting mounting constraints into joints manually and automatically. We'll also look at how to check model status, engine redundancies, and how to troubleshoot the array. In Module 3 we will learn about the features of preparing a model for simulation. We will learn to insert torques, or torser moment, and forces into the model for dynamic simulation. In order to verify the consequence of the application of these loads in the operation of the mechanisms. In Module 4, the tools that assist us in interpreting the results of dynamic simulation will be presented. We will learn how to use dynamic piece motion to simulate the mechanism with dynamic parameters and motions defined by the mouse. We will also see how to study a succession of positions according to the degrees of freedom of the whole. Finally, let's understand the use of the output chart for analysis of dynamic simulation results. In Module 5, we will learn how to generate presentations and configure dynamic simulation. We will create presentation videos in the dynamic simulation environment, and we will see how to export the simulation to the rendering environment, creating presentations in this environment. We will also look at how to run the general settings of a dynamic simulation. Finally, in Module 6, we will deepen our knowledge, consolidating the concepts learned during the course, seeing in practice the application of the tools learned. We will do this through practical examples and complementary exercises, where we will perform dynamic simulation in several sets with different applications. Thus, we will be able to develop projects for various applications, in a professional way. Let's start the course. Render, the one who knows teaches.